Hey guys, today's release 2.6.0 brings a few goodies. Let's get into it. So we'll start from bottom up. So we have a cleaner design. So we got some complaints that we had a few too many white blocks. So this before was in a white block, and the sidebar was in a white block. And if you'd go into a resource with a lot of panels, you wouldn't really know when you would switch from a panel to another. So this one is a little bit cleaner. A lot of other elements sit on the background, and only the content is being focused on. So we hope you like this. Next, we had to refactor the cards a little bit. This was from a suggestion from another customer. So we moved the cards query from block to method. So I'm gonna go into a card. So let's say amount raised. Before, you'd have to do something like this from the beginning, and that would work out. This block would get evaluated when the card would be called out. So that would be amount raised. But now we changed it to being a method. So this way you can reuse code a lot easier, and it just makes for a better experience. Coolio. Next, so these are just a few minor tweaks for the CI/CD system. Feature, so multiple action alerts. So let's go to dummy action. Before, you do something like succeed or fail, and this would show the same kind of errors on the front end. So it would just show like a blue alert, but now we added succeed, warning, warn, inform, and fail. So now if we go and try this action out, let's check it out. Dummy. Where is this used? It's on the fish resource. Okay. Dummy action. Yes. So now I have success response in green, warning in yellow, info, and red. So you can be more expressive when you respond to your users. Next, we have a contribution from Paul Bob. Thank you so much. This guy is awesome. So feature associations on edit view. So by default, when you have a has many, I'll check into users, or maybe let's check the teams. So I'll go into a team, and we have many team members. By default, when you go into edit, you won't get the has many screen. But if we go back to the team resource, where is it? Team members, and we add this show on edit. Now we have this screen on the edit view as well. So you can see all of the team members on the edit screen. Next is attach scope for associations. So before, let's go to the user resource. Let's check out the record. So before, when you wanted to attach a record, a new post has many, this listing would show you all of the records, all of the posts in the database. But maybe you don't want to show everything, and you just want to show a small subset. So only those that you haven't attached yet. So you can use this attach scope, and you have access to the query and the parent. The query is the actual query that's going to fetch all of these posts, and the parent is actually the user, the actual parent that's going to be associated with those posts. So we're going to say query where user ID isn't from the parent ID, or where user ID is not nil. So all of those posts that are not associated to any user, or those posts that are not associated to this one, give me those. So basically, if I attach happy, and now if I go back and try to attach it again, you'll see it's gone. Cool. And the last feature we added is the tags field, and we have a separate video for it. Go check her out. We touch on all of the major options. I hope you love it. So this has been 2.6. We hope you love it. Go tell everybody on Twitter about it, and see you soon.